Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to see this look that I have on currently, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I got you guys like pretty zoomed in, like the most zoomed in I'm gonna get you. But today I'm going to be using the Daisy Marquez palette. Got 3 already. But I'm mostly going to be using this. So I'll try to name everything that I'm using. But as you can see, I don't have my monitors right there. So it's going to be like kind of weird and back and forth. But yeah, we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna prime my eye with this MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I'll get on to the eye makeup. And then I'm gonna go in with the BH128 brush.
To those men who are going into the hottest spots.
Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take some Laura Mercier powder. I can't freaking talk. And I'm going to set my eyeball with this big brush. Dang, I can't talk. This is what I always do when I do my makeup. I don't know why, but I just do. But I'm gonna take this color Naked, and I'm gonna be going in with this Morphe M53 brush. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Look at the hand comparison to my face. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with Dolce, this orange color, and apply it into my crease. And then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna mix Karma and Dolce together. Just a mixture, just so Karma isn't too reddish. And also, I do have my door closed, but I apologize if you can hear my heater turning on and off. And take this Japanese brush in 835, and I'm gonna take Vintage just a little bit, just a tiny bit, and just so I can darken up this a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with Passion Fruit, same brush, and I'm gonna add it into my crease also. Then I'm gonna go in with a different brush. This one's kind of like more fluffy, this one's more tapered, and then this one's fluffy, but I'm gonna take this BH number 6 brush. I actually got this when I purchased this. I also bought a eyebrow this Ultimate Eyebrow palette for when I like do other people's makeup. Sorry you can't see me, but I got this brush set, and I forgot what it was called, but I got it for free. It was $20 brush set, but I got it for free with all of my purchases, and I'm so happy. But anyway, I'm gonna take this number 6 brush, taking Passion Fruit still, and just blending it out more.
Better job.
I'm going to be taking a much smaller version of this brush. This is the number 7 brush, and I'm gonna go in with Bittersweet. It's a darker color, and go more into my crease. And I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name on it, but it's like a little blending brush. I'm gonna take Bittersweet and pack it on my inner corner, going more into my eye, but not all the way. And then on to the fun part. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, it's right here. I'm going to take this little palette here and I'm gonna put some Tarte Shape Tape. I can never say that word right. Onto my little palette. I'm going to cut my crease with this e.l.f. concealer brush. It's a really tiny brush, so it'll get and really make your lines sharp. I'm gonna take this Morphe. Can you guys even see me? It's too zoomed in. Okay, after that, I'm gonna take this yellow color flower and add it on my lid while it's still wet. And then I'm gonna go and add Karma with the same brush, just a little bit right here, just so it can get a blend out.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
And then I'm gonna go back in with this brush, taking passion fruit and just kind of blending it in so it has a blend to it. I'm gonna take this Kat Von D liner, and I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I took this little tiny brush and I kind of like tried to make these matching. They're not gonna be exactly the same, but I tried. And I'm just gonna do my liner. Just gonna do my liner. I'm going to be taking this by Special Effects. It's originally, when I bought this, when I purchased this, I thought it was for eyes, but it turns out it's for lips. But obviously people who do makeup know that everything does not need to be used the way it says on the bottle. So yeah, I'm just gonna add this gold color.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.
And as you can see, it's kind of like gone a little further down my eye, but I'm going to wait for that to dry and then I'll go in with my black liner. So now I'm going to move on with the bottom of my eye. I'm going to take this brush. I have no idea what this brush is, but it looks like this. I got it in my makeup kit for my classes, but I'm just going to be adding Dolce underneath my eye first. Same brush, I'm going to add Karma on the very tip of this brush. As you can see, it's very pointy. I'm going to add it on the tip of it. And then I'm going to go in with this flat brush from Morphe. And I'm going to add Passion Fruit on to it. To my eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and fix this gold liner up. Now I'm gonna go in with a blush. So this is the blush. I've been using the blush kit. I used to use my e.l.f., but I'm starting to move on to this because I really haven't touched it. But it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit Radiant. So it looks like. And I'm gonna go in to, what's this color? Coastline. This orangey color in the corner right here. And I'm gonna take this BHCOSMETICS #1 brush. I think it's from the Royalty makeup brush set, I think. I'm not for sure. But yeah, and I'm gonna go in and just add a little bit. I've been wanting to purchase some baked blushes because I really like how they look, but I've never got around to it. Okay, so after I'm done with blush, I'm gonna go on this Morphe setting mist, continuous setting mist, and I'm gonna apply it so when I apply my highlighter, it'll have more dewy to add on, you know, whatever. I probably don't want to use this. I'm gonna add a little bit of this, and I'll just take my beauty blender because I don't want to get my face looking wet. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my beauty blender. And kind of get it a little bit more moist or dewy, where I'm gonna apply my highlighter on my face because I don't want it to soak my face in highlighter again. So I'm gonna spray again, just so like I can get something to hold on to. So I'm gonna take this Morphe M500 brush. A little bit.
But if this brings you just a little closer.
Then I'm gonna go in with I'm raising highlighter using this M501, which is a smaller version of that. I'm gonna get product all in my brush. All in my brush like that, and then I'm gonna spray it with setting spray. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush so I can apply highlight on my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with this fan brush, taking Resi Still. This in my inner corner, just so it's a lot more vibrant. Eyebrows, I'm going to be adding my lashes. These are the lashes I'm going to be using. They're by Salvador Lashes. They are called Cleopatra. I'm applying this gloss. It's by Makeup Forever 300p. That's what you say. But this is going to be the end of my video. I hope you guys liked the end results. Like this video, subscribe, share. It's always nice to share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.